a passionate mechanical engineer who chose his destiny. Ravi Prem created his own path.
This is the company which is oldest surviving company globally. We started in 1767. We are one of the largest cutting tool producer and the oldest marking and traceability solution company in India.
From playing district-level hockey for Aurangabad to excelling in engineering, his journey has been shaped by a deep-rooted belief in Shraddha and Saburi. Today, he leads the 3 centuries-old Forbes & Company as its executive director, driving its legacy forward with innovation and excellence.
I spend maximum time in the plants. The company and their associates are my extended family, be it be the workers, engineers, managers.
Beyond Forbes & Company, Ravi Prem is shaping the future of Indian manufacturing. As the president of ICTMA, he champions industry growth, addresses challenges in cutting tool manufacturing, and advocates for innovation.
I keep exploring the knowledge which I try to gain. There's nothing which is worth if you don't implement it. It's more of, knowing the things and then doing it. I'm a people man, and that's where is keep me going.